Good day, my name is Naga Ramisi, and I am the president of Tansa 2 Consumer Cooperative. So our cooperative in Tansa 2, Nabota City, was established with the goal of unity, our community. Members to work together for common progress and development, and also it was formed to provide opportunities for livelihood, fair access to goods and services, and to promote the spirit of cooperation among residents. And also, through collective effort, we aim to uplift the lives of our members by addressing economic and social needs while encouraging responsibility, discipline, and unity. And our purpose of establishing a cooperative is the main purpose of creating this cooperative is to improve the quality of life of its members. By pooling resources, we are able to provide affordable goods or products and create additional income opportunities and support community projects that benefits everyone. It also gives the members of a sense of ownership and empowerment as they are not customer rather and but active partners in the growth of the cooperative. Above all, the cooperative was built to foster solidarity, self-help, and sustainability to Tansa 2 Nabota City. And also, we have a mission and vision to our cooperative. So, and our vision is to build a united community in Tansa 2 Nabota City where members enjoy economic stability, social support, and share progress through cooperation. And our mission is to provide affordable goods and services, create livelihood opportunities, and promote self-reliance among members while strengthening unity, fairness, and mutual growth. So, and our core values is to cooperation, integrity, self-help, solidarity, and also sustainability. So in our cooperative, we offer services to our cooperative. First is affordable goods and supplies. And for providing this for our member with everyday necessities at lower price compared to commercial markets. And second is savings and credit services to encourage the members to save and offering accessible loans for small needs for livelihood. And third is livelihood support. We help members start or sustain small businesses through training and cooperative supports. And four is education and training. So conducting these seminars and orientations to teach members and about cooperative values. We also have financial literacy and entrepreneurship. And the last is community projects. So organizing activities that supports health, environment, and social well-being. So in our cooperative, our target and members are the local residents of Tansa 2 Nabota City who families and individuals within the community who need affordable goods and services. Second is small entrepreneurs like sari-sari stores, owners, vendors, and micro-business operators who can benefit from buying our supplies at lower cost. And third is students and young people. So providing them affordable school supplies, snacks, and opportunities to join cooperative program. So on our cooperative, we create this cooperative to improve the quality of life in our barangay Tansa 2. So the cooperative in Tansa 2 will serve as a tool for community and to progress by addressing both economic and social needs. So through affordable goods and services, families will save money and on daily expenses. So by offering savings and credit supports, member will have easier access to funds for emergencies, education, or small businesses. Livelihoods, programs, and the training will also empower residents to earn more and become self-reliant. So beyond financial benefits, the cooperative will strengthen unity and cooperation among people in barangays. So it will support also community projects like promote education about responsible spending and encourage a culture of helping one another. So overall, in our cooperative, Intensa will not only uplift individual members but also contribute to the development, stability, well-being of the entire barangay Tansa 2.